It's Marius here from sunny South Africa. I bought this Ts100 on AliExpress. A lot of guys recommend this soldering iron. My first video is where I plugged it onto my testing power supply, but I'm getting a lot of drain on it. Now I'm going to plug it onto a 70 amp hour car battery. You can see the battery is fully charged, sitting at 13.5 volts. Let's plug in the unit and I'll show you what it does. Units plugged in, it shows I can press the button. When I press the button, it says sender error, and the tip gets very hot uncontrollably. I have tried various power supplies. I've tried updating the firmware, but still I'm getting the same issues. Let me just show you what the voltage drop is on the battery if I plug it in. Point one of a volt drop, so there's a lot of, let's just turn it on. Still 0.1, going 0.2. Like I said, the tip gets red hot. Please let me know what you think. Thanks, bye.